Miss Grissom here. Hope you're doing awesome today. Today's date is September 18th, 2020, and it's right there on our calendar. Do you see it? What day of the week is it today? Remember, you can look straight up and see that today is Friday. That doesn't say Friday. That's just an abbreviation to make it shorter. So it just says Fry. But we know that it means Friday. Okay, and here's our date written right there. It says September, and there's a blank, 2020. What do you think goes in the blank? What do you think goes in the blank? This says the month, and this says the year. So we just need the day that it is. And today is the 18th. And 18th is a 1 and an 8 to make the number 18. And over here, let's write our digital date. Let me get my thing over here and make that digital date. Remember the number for the month September? Anybody remember what that is? The number for this month is 9. Okay, and today is the 18th. And I put a 20 right there. It looks kind of wonky, but that's okay. We know that that's the digital date, the number date, 9-18-20. Great job.
We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the four of us by name. Four of us by name. I'm a President Lincoln penny, a coin that is worth 1 cent. When you save a lot of us, together we can be well spent. I'm a shiny 5-cent nickel. President Jefferson is who you see. If you give someone 5 pennies, you'll get back 1 of me. We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the four of us by name. I'm a very thin little dime with President Roosevelt's face. If you had 2 nickels or 10 pennies, then they can take my place.
I'm a shiny George Washington quarter, the largest coin of the 4. I put 1 nickel and 2 dimes, worth 25 cents at the store.
We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around. In a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the four of us by name. We jingle and we jangle, watch for us all around. Sometimes we are lost, but we are also often found. Now you know each coin by name, by value, and by face. Make sure to save us up and keep us in a safe place. Keep us in a safe place.
Okay, didn't you just love that video? I love those little men singing about those coins, the penny and the nickel and the dime and the quarter. I just think that is the cutest little song. Okay, so we're going to talk about all those coins in first grade, and you're going to know how much they're worth or what their value is, because each of them are different. Okay, the penny is worth 1 cent, and the nickel is worth 5 cents. The dime is worth 10 cents, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. But today we're just going to focus on the penny and the dime. So remember, the penny is 1 cent, the dime is 10 cents. Let's look at some pennies and dimes right now. All right, guys, so my kids always say that the penny is the easiest to remember. Does anybody know why? Why is the penny the easiest to remember? Let me show you. Look, because it's the brown one. The penny is the copper or brown coin. And so it looks different than the others. And I want you to remember that a penny is worth 1 cent. And do you see that C with a line through it? That's the symbol for cent, okay? But the penny is worth 1. And this is just one. I wanted to show you the front of the penny and what it looks like. And this is the back of the penny, and that's what it looks like. Okay? Let's count some pennies. If a penny is worth 1 cent, and we had some right there, we found them in our pocket maybe, and we want to count them, what would we start doing first? How would we start counting? We would start with 1 because they're each worth 1 cent. So if I took 1 and I put it over here, I know that that is 1 penny. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10 pennies in my pocket. Awesome. Okay, so let's talk about the next coin that I want to tell you about. It's called the dime. Look at it. That's what a dime looks like. And did you know that all these pennies, 10 pennies, make up one of these dimes? Let me show you. So there's the front of a dime, and there's the back of a dime. That's what they look like. Okay? And a dime, it's spelled like this, dime, and it's worth 10 cents. 10 cents. Okay? And how much was a penny worth? Yeah, a penny was worth 1 cent. But guess what? I found some I found some dimes in my pocket. Right there. All right, so let's count the dimes that I found in my pocket. When I count dimes, remember, you have to remember what they cost, what they're worth. So a dime is 10 cents, so I know 1 dime, that's 10. And that's how I'm going to start counting. What would this next one be? Another 10 is 20. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's see if I can find another one. 90, 100. Okay, so this is 100, and it's not $100, but it's 100 cents. Okay? 100 cents. And did you know, not to confuse you, but 100 cents, quick fact, makes $1. 100 cents makes $1. Okay? So if I have 10 pennies, that makes one of these dimes. And if I have 10 dimes, that makes $1. Okay, so remember, penny is worth 1 cent, dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, so for today, what you're going to do, you're going to practice counting coins. On your Google Classroom, you're going to find some slides that have coins on them. What I want you to do is get a notebook or paper or whatever you work in every day, and I want you to just number that paper and go through the slides on the computer and count those coins. So the first one, let me show you. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to click through the slides, and this is the first one. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. Okay, so on your paper, on number 1, I want you to write 4. You can write 4 cents if you want to, like I showed you, or you can write 4 pennies, or you can just write 4. Click the next picture and count those. Click through all of the pictures and write down how many cents are on each slide. Send a picture of your work to your teacher. And that's it. We just want you to remember that a penny is 1 cent, a dime is 10 cents, and later on in the year, we're going to learn nickel and quarter. So have a great day, and we'll see you later.